Subject Geography, Chapter number 7, Population. Points to be studied. Population, a resource. Population of growth. Density of population. Distribution of population and structure of population. We are going to study all this in this chapter. Population, a resource. Like other sources, population is important in the overall development of a particular region or any country. Point number 2. While studying the population of a particular region, the various aspects like population growth, population distribution, population density, structure of population have to be considered. Point number 3 says the economic, social and cultural development of any country gets influenced by its population. The quality of population proves more important than its overall development of a country. Population of growth. Point number 1. Population of any region constantly keeps changing due to following factors: birth rate, death rate, life expectancy and migration. So these 4 are the reasons due to which the following factors of population keeps on changing. Birth rate. Description. Birth rate is the number of live births per 1000 people in a year. Death rate. Death rate is the number of deaths per 1000 people in a year. There is a lot of difference between birth rate and death rate. Life expectancy. Life expectancy is the expected life span, average lifespan of an individual at the time of his or her birth. Migration. The movement of an individual or group into an area is called in-migration, or the movement of an individual or group out of an area is called out-migration. Please make the note differences between in-migration and out-migration. It's very different from each other. The uncontrolled growth of population puts heavy pressure on the natural and man-made resources of a particular region. The controlled growth of a population leads to availability of natural and man-made resources in the right proportion. The controlled growth of population is one of the indicators of the development of a particular region. Please do make the differences. Whatever I am telling you can note down in the book because it is good for you all. Distribution of population. Point number 1. Physical, economic, political and social factors affect the distribution of a population. Point number 2. Low altitude, plenty of natural resources, urbanization, political stability, etc. are the factors responsible for the dense population. Distribution of population. Point number 3. Mountainous regions, scarcity of natural resources, limited development of agriculture and industries, war, political instability, adverse climates, etc. unfavorable factors responsible for the sparse distribution of population. Migration leads to change in population of a particular region. Migration leads to change in the total volume and structure of the population. Density of population. Point number 1. Population density is the ratio of the population of a country to its area. Point number 2 says density of a population is equal to population of a region upon area of a region. Please note down the formula density of a population. If a particular region has comparatively less area and comparatively more population, it has high density of population. If a particular region has comparatively more area and comparatively less population, it has low density of population. Human Development Index. Point number 1. Mahabub Yuvan Hack and Amartya Sen put forth the concept of Human Development Index in the decade of 1980 and 1990. Economic, health and education parameters are considered while calculating Human Development Index. Developed countries' Human Development Index value is close to 1. On the other hand, undeveloped countries have Human Development Index close to the value to 0. Density of population in Maharashtra. The density of population is found to be high in the western district of Maharashtra. The density of population is found to be low in the eastern district of Maharashtra. Point number 2 says, due to higher level and industrialization and urbanization, the high density of population is found in the districts of Mumbai city, Mumbai suburb district, Thane, Pune and Nagpur. You can take screenshots of the following pages that I'm showing you right now. It will clear your concepts and prepare you for your exams. Point number 3 says Nashik, Ahmednagar, Aurangabad, etc. districts have moderate density of population. Point number 4, the district having rain shadow areas as well as extreme eastern district having dense forest areas have low density of population.
Mm-hmm.